Hey guys, welcome back to New the Creative Vlog. Today we are unboxing the 4G GPS smartwatch. Let's get started. Wow! It looks so pretty. So here we have the manual and the charger. And this is the charger. Let's see what apps do we have here. In this smartwatch we have phone, settings, call history, camera, SMS, magic camera, QR code, gallery, app store, steps, math, schedule, flashcards, alarms, stopwatch, calculators, calendar, face unlock, music, video player, and sound recorder. You can see here we have two buttons. One is SOS and one is power button. Here we insert the SIM. Let's insert the SIM. This is the place to put the SIM in. Now I'm gonna put the SIM in. So let's look at the settings. So we have mobile network, Wi-Fi, makes you connect to the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, app info, lock screen settings, volume settings, brightness settings, launcher style, and so and so. Let's make a phone call. Wow, it's working! Ooh, I'm getting a call from my dad. Let me receive it. Hello?
Where are you?
I'm at home.
Everything looks good?
Yes.
Yeah, please take care.
Bye. Bye. Let me check the call history. Look at that! I got one call in the call history. You can install any app from App Store. Uh-oh, it's not connected to Wi-Fi. Let me turn on the Wi-Fi. We go to settings. Wi-Fi is connected now. From the App Store, you can install any app. Ooh, we can install WhatsApp, LadyRith, and so on. Yeah, WhatsApp is installing. My parents have installed WhatsApp in my watch. Let's make a video call. Hello. 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 It works. It works. My dad is calling. Let me pick it up. Hello.
Hi, Nirupta.
Hi.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How about your abacus class? Did you complete?
Oh, yes.
Do you have some homework?
Yes.
Yeah, please note down the page number. Let's discuss by evening, okay?
Okay.
I'll see you soon then.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye. So now, let's see the apps one by one. From here, you can dial the number you want to call or who you want to call to. Next, let's see settings. Ooh. So the settings, it says mobile network, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, app info, lock screen settings, volume settings, brightness settings, launcher style, launcher effect, wallpaper, sleep, reboot, shutdown, clear tools, zoom function, and more. Next, let's do camera. In here, we can take selfies. Now, let's see the SMS. Ooh, it's where you get messages from other people. Next, let's click this match camera. Ooh, hello. Aww, look at those. You can make some filters like I'm having cat ears. It looks so cute. Hello. And some filters. And this is where you can view your photo. Now let's see gallery. We didn't get any pictures yet, so ooh, let's see what this does. Oh, it's like a little math game. 3 plus 3 is equal to 3, no. 1 plus 2 is equal to 7, no. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6, yes. 6 plus 4 is equal to 0, no. So I got 6 high scores. And it also counts the time. Let's see the schedule button next. So it's like a schedule. Okay, it's empty. Let's see. Ooh, flashcards. Let's see what this does. Wow, this is cool. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe.